In this complete guide, you'll learn exactly how to change email background colors in MailerLite, so you can match your brand, improve visual appeal, and make every campaign look polished and professional. MailerLite is one of the most user-friendly email marketing platforms out there, and while it offers plenty of beautiful templates, the ability to customize your background color is what really lets you make an email your own. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, you'll need to log into your MailerLite account. Open your browser and go to MailerLite.com. Click the login button in the top right corner, then enter your email address and password. Once you're authenticated, you'll land on your main MailerLite dashboard. This is your command center where you can see an overview of your subscribers, campaigns, and automations. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's a reset link on the login page. Just make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage multiple MailerLite profiles. Once you're in, take a moment to orient yourself because the dashboard gives you quick access to everything we'll need in the next steps. Now, look at the left side navigation menu. This is your primary way to move through MailerLite. Click on Campaigns. This section stores all of your email drafts, sent campaigns, and templates. You'll see a list of your existing campaigns, whether they're regular newsletters, automated sequences, or /B tests. Scroll through that list and locate the specific campaign you want to edit. It's important to find the right one, especially if you have multiple campaigns with similar names. Once you've found it, hover over the campaign. You should see an option that says Continue Editing. Click that. This opens the campaign back up exactly where you left off, preserving all the content and design choices you've already made. Next, you'll need to open the email editor. Inside the campaign, click the button that says Edit Content. This launches MailerLite's drag and drop editor, which is the heart of your email design work. Give it a moment to load completely. The editor can take a few seconds, especially if your email contains many images or custom blocks. Once it's open, take a moment to review your current email design. You'll see your layout with text, images, buttons, and dividers. This is your workspace. Everything you add or change happens right here, and you can see a live preview as you work. Make sure you're comfortable navigating around the canvas because in the next step, we'll start customizing the global background. Now it's time to access the background settings. On the right side of the editor, you'll see a sidebar. This panel changes depending on what you have selected in your email. Look for a section labeled Design Settings or simply Design. Within that panel, find and click the option that says Background. MailerLite organizes background controls here separately from individual block backgrounds, so this is the global setting that affects the entire email canvas behind your content. A crucial tip here, do not confuse this with the background of a single text block or image container. This setting changes the color behind everything. That's why it's so powerful for branding. The available options will let you choose between a solid color, a gradient, or even an image background if you prefer. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on a solid color. When you click the background color selector, a color picker will pop up. You'll see a palette of pre-selected colors, a slider for brightness, and fields where you can enter a hexadecimal color code, often called a hex code. If you have brand guidelines, this is where you can input the exact hex code to get a perfect match. For example, a deep navy blue might be something like 1A237E. If you don't have a code, you can simply click around the palette to browse colors visually or drag the slider to adjust the shade. As you select a color, you'll see it immediately applied to the background of your email in the editor preview. This real-time feedback is invaluable. Take your time here. A common pitfall is choosing a color that's too dark or too saturated, which can make your text hard to read. A good rule of thumb is to choose a background color that complements your brand but still keeps your content accessible. If your brand uses a very dark color, consider using it only as an accent or in a header section rather than as the full background. Once you've selected your color, it's time to review the entire email design. Scroll through your email from top to bottom. Look at how the background color interacts with your text, images, and buttons. For example, white text on a dark background can look striking, but it needs to have enough contrast to be legible. Similarly, images with white edges might look jarring against a colored background. You may want to remove image borders or adjust spacing. Check that headings, body text, and links all stand out clearly. This is also the moment to confirm consistency with your branding. If your website uses a specific shade of teal, make sure the email matches it. If something feels off, you can go back to the background settings and tweak the color slightly until everything feels cohesive. Remember, a small adjustment can make a big difference in readability and professionalism. Finally, once you're completely satisfied with the design, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top right of the editor. Click it to commit your work. MailerLite will store this version of your campaign, so you can come back and edit it later if needed. I always recommend saving one final time, even if you think it auto-saved. Better safe than sorry. And before you send your campaign, preview it on both desktop and mobile using the preview buttons inside the editor. Sometimes a color that looks great on a big screen can feel overwhelming on a small phone display. If everything checks out, you're ready to schedule or send. You have now successfully changed the email background color in MailerLite. This simple adjustment brings your brand identity into every message you send, making your emails feel more cohesive and trustworthy. As a next step, consider exploring how to customize the background of individual content blocks inside your email. That technique can add visual hierarchy and draw attention to your most important offers. And if you found this guide helpful, feel free to bookmark this video so you can come back to it whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and happy email designing.